Are you ready for a Fortnite party? We'll give you some stylish accessories. Want more fun ideas for you and your friends? Check out our brand new channel, Woohoo! Subscribe to enjoy awesome tricks and hilarious pranks. Follow the link in the description. I'm so done being a nerd. Let's throw a party for Fortnite gamers. Guys, drop everything. See you at the Fortnite Club. You can't just come to a Fortnite party with a regular hairstyle. Let's check out all the options. This one will be perfect! A candy hat! Shape light clay into a flat ball. That'll be the base for a candy. Make a few pieces and let the clay solidify. Color the candy with acrylic paint. Hot glue the candies to a hat. A candy girl look is perfect for a Fortnite party. Let's go have some fun! I need a boost of energy for the party. Here it is, my magic potion. Attach strips of masking tape to a glass bottle. Outline a lightning bolt. Cut off the excess. Spray paint the bottle black. Remove the tape. Coat the lightning with acrylic polish. Apply acrylic paint on top. Create a color transition. Pour milk into the bottle. Just a few sips of the potion, and I'm all full of energy. I'm ready to conquer the world. Christy definitely has something perfect for me. The task is to find the llama. Bingo! I got llama socks as a bonus. Cut long llama ears out of foam paper. Cut teeth out of faux leather. Attach the ears and the teeth to socks using multi-purpose glue. Glue on some googly eyes. Use a permanent marker to draw a mouth, a nose, and a bridle. These llama socks can complete any outfit. My feet are ready for the Fortnite party. What should I wear to the party? Where are all my costumes? Oh, come here, my old friend. It's Cuddle Team Leader. Take the head of an old teddy bear and remove some stuffing. Hot glue the hole. Make a cut for a zipper on top. Fold pink fabric in half and hot glue it to make a bag. Put it inside the head and hot glue a zipper. Make a cut on the bear's muzzle. Sew the nose. Hot glue the fabric to the stuffing. Shape Cuddle Team Leader's signature smile. Attach a pink faux leather smile. Color the bear with pink silk paint. Don't cover the muzzle and the ears. Remove the eyes. Divide a plastic half sphere into 2 parts. Cut off the fasteners with a hot knife. Use black hot glue to make a pupil. Add a pink iris and spray paint the inside of the sphere white. Attach the eyes to the head. Make straps for the backpack out of ribbon. Make the iconic Cuddle Team Leader scar out of a strip of white faux leather. Paint the nose black. This backpack and I have been through a lot. It's time to show my Cuddle Team Leader a real party. There's a bouncer at the Fortnite party. We have a strict dress code here. Your llama socks aren't enough. Well, check out my hat, man. Draw a marshmallow smasher on an old eraser. Cut it out. Make a stamp. Dip the stamp into white acrylic paint. Remove the excess and make imprints on a black bucket hat. Your marshmallow hat is awesome! Welcome to our Fortnite party! The Cuddle Team Leader backpack also fits the dress code. Hold on! Your candy cap still doesn't prove your love for the game. Come up with something else. Wait a minute! Oh, not this! Oops! And not that! Here it is! My favorite Fortnite t-shirt! Take an old t-shirt. Put in a board so the paint doesn't stain the back. Print a stencil of a Fortnite logo on sticker paper and cut it out. Attach it to the t-shirt. Apply different colors of fabric paint with a sponge. Create a colorful circle. Flick the paint off a brush over the whole t-shirt. Remove the stencil. Let it dry for 24 hours. Iron the t-shirt through parchment paper to secure the paint. Alright, your t-shirt is good enough for the Fortnite party. Have a fun game! Guys, this party is amazing! Except that the music is a mess. Hey, DJ, what's wrong? Oops, I need to save this right now. My bright keyboard will help me. Carefully take the keys out of an old keyboard. Coat them with different colors of acrylic paint. Use the Fortnite color scheme. Put the keys back. Paint pointers on the control keys using a thin brush. Yay! This music is perfect! And the party is lit! Fortnite disco till the sun comes up! Ouch! Our ears! What's that scratchy noise? It's coming from this annoying mouse, but I have a special unicorn mat. Cut parts of a Fortnite unicorn out of colored foam paper. A head, a mane, a horn, and colorful strips. Attach the pieces together using multi-purpose glue. Add a bridle with acrylic paint and a round eye. This unicorn mat is a nice bonus for my mouse. Now it doesn't squeak. Let's dance! Did you like our accessories for Fortnite fans? Let us know in the comments which ideas you'd copy for your Fortnite party. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new video game inspired ideas from Troom.